will follow him wherever he...
Butter in the bowl. Chop it up nice. There we go. Just place it all in like that, nice and soft. Works a treat. I'm actually making this cake for penance. Yes. I had a little transgression with one of the altar boys on Sunday. So this is my penance, I'm afraid. Oh well. So we place the butter in the bowl like that. Okay. There we go. And oh, it's very dry. I think I was having myself a drink. There we go. Yes. It's a little bit of the communion wine. Oh well, bottoms up. It's very good. It's French, you know. Bottoms up. Oh well. That'll wet your whistle. Here's to you. Leave that there for the moment, shall we? Here we go. It's for later. In case I get thirsty again. Leave that there. So, you've got your butter, your flour and your sugar. Just mix it up in the bowl, like this. There we go. Mix it up nice. Just get it all broken up like that. Yes. It smells divine. Yeah. I must apologise if I look a bit rough today. Yes, I had to perform an exorcism last night. Yes. Poor Mrs. Kavanagh believed that she was inhabited by the ghost of John Lennon. Terrible, terrible thing. Kept sitting up in bed and throwing things and singing, "All we are saying is give peace a chance." Yes. Strange woman. Anyway, there we go, just mix it up a little bit. Now you want 3 eggs, okay? So, get your eggs, just place them in a cup and beat them up. There we go. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3.